Windscape Kite Festival. We are in Swift Current, Saskatchewan for the annual Windscape Kite Festival that brings together celebrity kite flyers and builders from over 40 countries around the world. I don't even remember the last or first time I've ever flown a kite. So today, I'm gonna say is the official day that I will fly a kite for the first time. Kai is here too. It's gonna be her first time. I think it's Sia's as well. Yes, Sia? We don't remember flying a kite, but there are a lot of passionate kite flyers here. There's a lot of other activities to get involved with. I'm super excited to be here. Yeah, that's right. I'm super excited to be at a kite festival because the energy is awesome. Look at all of these kites. There's so many, and they're all so different. Such a peaceful vibe.
There are celebrity single line flyers as well as celebrity dual line flyers. So these people come from all over the world, and the single line, obviously single line, so there's one kite, and the dual line, they actually work together and create like a synchronized, beautiful presentation. There's no really other words to describe it, so we might as well just show it.
My name is Brett Marshall from Detroit, Michigan. I am a quad line flyer by specialty. I also fly dual line kites and single line kites, as well as build and make kites. We're just out here today having a good time with the kids, getting on the short lines and just playing around with them. I've been flying for 5 years now.
Wow.
Not very long, but I love it. I've got sucked in and I can't leave now. I fly probably 3 to 4 days a week. Just on the water. We get real good smooth breezes off of the lakes. It's a wonderful time. And then I travel extensively around the world, probably 10 events a year.
Wow. Kite festivals.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah?
Absolutely.
Why do you love kite flying? Like, what is it?
It's just something that brings the kid out in you. All your stress, everything from work or what have you, just life in general, we say it goes up with the lines and with the kite. It just all goes away, and you can't concentrate on anything but the kite flying and great weather. It's always a good fun.
The kites that are here are a marvelous combination of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics with a great big dose of art into it. Kites are very organic. They are one of the very few objects in the world where there is no downside to them. The upside is we gather, we make them, we learn all kinds of things, or we teach all kinds of things to kids of all ages, and then take them out and fly, enjoy the community of nature.
Hello, my name's Dorothy Gooch. I'm from Edmonton, Alberta, and I fly kites. And it started over 35 years ago when my husband and I were on honeymoon. We passed a toy store in Vancouver, bought a great big huge orange flare kite that was quite pricey at the time, and that's how this started, to banners and other beautiful items that fly in the sky, because it's kind of magical. When the kites fly, sometimes the tails and the lines cross, and all of a sudden you're chatting with someone and making a new friend, and that's part of the beauty of the kite community.
You can't come to a kite festival and not make your own kite. Kai and I are going to put our creative energy into this kite. We're going to channel our creativity. I think this is going to be Kai's first time even touching a marker, so we should see what happens. Oh? I said you choose, and she took both. Kai. So this isn't going as it should, or is it? It's going as expected.
We actually don't know if Kai is left-handed or right-handed, so we're experimenting with both hands to see which one she responds to better.
Building a kite with an 8-month-old is a difficult task, but also a fun one.
I am making the structure of the kite. So we'll use the string piece first. And it has to stay curved up so that it can fly.
You're doing a great job, buddy. Yeah.
And there you go. You have a kite. Yes. You're welcome.
It's a beautiful masterpiece. It's our first art project together.
Nailed it! You wanna hold it? You're flying a kite!
How's that kite taste? How's it taste, Kite? How is it flying a kite?
I miss this. It's like, it's therapeutic, it's relaxing, it's fun, it's enjoyable. Like, I could easily see myself doing this like on a fun windy day.
Fun windy day like today.
Fun windy day like today, Saskatchewan. To be honest, when we were invited to this kite festival, I'm like, really, a kite festival? Like, it sounds something that won't be as interesting as it turned out to be. Like, there's a whole subculture community. There's a whole subculture of people that love flying kites, and I could see why. It's like fishing in the air. You're holding the line, you're feeling the wind, like. It's rare that wind is celebrated, but this is a celebration of wind.
You can buy kites here, so we got our kite. I've never owned a kite, I don't think. It comes in 2 parts. Great. I have to try to put it together. Oh my god, there's more parts. Alright.
How difficult was it to put together?
It took like a minute. It was very, very simple. That is because I got large, easy flyer kites for beginners. Do I just like let it, do I run with it? I feel like I'm supposed to run with it and then like, do I just like...
We actually don't know how to fly a kite. This is probably a great place to learn and to ask people. There's a lot of experts, but we're gonna try just leaving it here, have a long line, wait for a gust of wind, and then pull it and see if that works.
I gotta wait, right?
Yeah, there's no wind. Wait, but these guys are flying.
I feel like if I do this wrong, people are gonna laugh. Because there's professionals here.
How did Mom do, Kite Kite? How'd she do? Did she do good? How was that?
That was a lot of fun. I feel super relaxed. Yeah, I really enjoy it. I'm looking forward to flying a kite at home.
Oh, we just made it to the car because it started raining. That was awesome.
That was really awesome. Unexpectedly awesome.
Yeah, like it made you tranquil, made you like immersed in kite flying. I never expected that.
Yeah, it was. I feel relaxed. This morning I was feeling a little overwhelmed, intense, and like kind of snappy, and now I just feel way more chill. I felt like my inner kid came out, like in a way that I haven't felt in a long time, and I just caught myself smiling differently, which was really nice. Kite festivals! Who would have known?
Yeah, who would have known? Wow, I would definitely go to another kite festival. Just now that I see the people that are there, the idea behind kite flying, how multicultural it is, how artistic it is, how scientific it is. It's pretty fun.
Kite festivals!